You searched how to buy shares of Republic Services, Inc., and this short guide explains the steps for Republic Services, a U.S. waste management and recycling company. Republic Services trades on NASDAQ under the ticker RSG, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as the example platform to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID document, and then add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker RSG to find Republic Services. Verify the listing matches the NASDAQ ticker to ensure you select the correct company. On the stock page, you will see basic company information alongside a price chart showing recent movement. Confirm the company name and the RSG ticker to be sure you are on the right asset page. To place an order, click Investor Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review the order details carefully and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your open position will appear in your portfolio once the order fills. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to visit the platform.